I don't know if this is the version that's gonna make the cut or not. I'm sure Anna Maria has something she would like to say, but this is my grandmother's old car. She got a new Subaru. So my grandfather took over this car, donated his truck because he's older, doesn't do truck stuff, doesn't need a truck. At least that's what he said. And he took over this vehicle, donated his truck to a church camp, essentially. They needed a truck to do truck stuff with, take the garbage out, whatever it may be. So he donated his truck to a church camp. Actually, it's Camp Casadero, if you want to look them up. Drove this car for a while, and then out of nowhere, it overheated, was spewing fluid everywhere. And, you know, he's too old, ain't got time for this. He's got a little bit of change in his pocket. So he's decided to buy a new car and said, if we want this one, come up and get it. That's exactly what we did. So we're spending time with Grandma and Grandpa. Anna Maria gets a car out of the deal. And I get to drive a trailer. I love driving trailers. Everybody wins. Yeah, this is a 2007 Subaru B9 Tribeca. All right, good morning, y'all. Today is Tuesday the 4th, I think. Yeah, December 4th, 2024. Got the BMW that's broken again. Race cars. But we have Anna Maria's car. It's still in the trailer. We got home late last night. We didn't leave until nighttime, actually, which there's no footage of the drive back. Really no footage of the drive there. No footage of loading it. There might be some photos, but there's no photos of loading it or videos of loading it. What I'm getting at is I'm not real good at this whole vlogging thing, so I'll film unloading it. This video is gonna be questionable at best. Anyways, let's get to it. Try to get lost. You know how many 10 mils I've replaced? It's also a good opportunity for me to look at the sway bar, wherever that's located on this thing. On. Rock Auto. Shout out to Rock Auto, I guess. For anyone who works on their own car, if you don't know about Rock Auto, start going to Rock Auto. But Rock Auto has the same OEM radiator, like this same one that Subaru would have put in, the same one I would buy from them for $145. And the dealership wants $600, like $620, I think is what he told me. So we got the parts we're waiting for. The last couple hoses were late, but you know, better late than never, right? They came loose with the 10 mil driver, which honestly was the better option to begin with, but our hoses, these are actually pretty thin in comparison of the ones that we got in replacement. New radiator. All right. So today is December 17th. That means 5 years ago, 19, 20, 21, 6 years ago? 5 years ago? 5 or 6 years ago, Anna Maria and I got married. All right, we settled some of these raisins. Now we just need to get her some chocolate, which is this aisle here. That's what we're going with. Alright, so that time has come. I've done a whole bunch of testing on the vehicle, and I believe it's steady. All the bubbles that are in the cooling system are been taken care of. It's not overheating anymore. An oil change, a new oil filter, new hoses, and well, it's time for Anna to take her car for the first drive.
What's the panic for?
It sets off the alarm.
I think it's gonna be, oh no, it's gonna be the second time I sit in the driver's seat. I haven't driven for I don't know how long. I think I forgot how to drive. Pretty smooth. I like my Subaru. Can I go now?
I like my suitcase. I have to go to school now.
Yeah, you will have lunch and then you go to school.
Now